Hey, my prepper posse. Yep, still Saturday morning. Here's part 2. There's the frame. And I'm sure anybody looking at this, it's a DIYer, can figure this out. I'm just giving you the first framing part. I can still look out my back window. Alright, time for plywood. Oh, I also wanted to show you this stuff. It's called
Siliceal.
Siliceal. That's what we're putting in here. Oh, you cut it off, but that's alright. I don't know if you can see it. It's in between. So it'll seal it up. Alright. Don't forget to play. See you.